If you want to get into audiobook narration, you have to follow some recording tricks. In this video, I will show you one trick that will save enormous time in editing. To take advantage of this trick, you have to know a shortcut. You can find that shortcut in the Edit menu. From the Edit menu, go to Labels. Take notice of the shortcut of Add Label at Playback Position. I am using a Mac, and my shortcut is Command-. If you are using Windows, you will see another shortcut. Whatever the shortcut is, take note. You will need to use that shortcut during recording. Before recording, make sure the correct microphone is selected, and other configurations are set to the standard value. If you do not know it already, the recording peak should not cross -6 dB during recording. For audiobook narrators, it is very important to get the correct input level in the meter. You start recording, and it is likely that you will make some mistakes during recording. You have to repeat words and sentences, and later you have to edit those out. Whenever you make a mistake, stop talking and press your shortcut. An empty label will appear in a new track when you press the shortcut. Keep recording, and whenever you repeat a sentence or word, stop talking and press your shortcut. You do not need to type in anything on the label. These labels are just markers where you made a mistake. The icons are very helpful for finding mistakes later. The labels will be on there after you finish recording. After recording, you will know exactly where the errors are. You do not have to listen to the whole recording to find out the problematic part. It is a huge time saver. However, there is another problem with this method. If you delete a part in a position of the label, all other labels will be out of sync. Those labels will point to different parts of the audio. That will make those labels invalid as they are no longer in the position of a problem. To fix that, you have to use the Sync Lock feature of Audacity. Sync Lock will lock the two tracks. Deleting something from the track will keep other labels in sync. So other labels will always point to their original position. This recording technique is called the marker recording technique. However, there is a limitation in that you have to be close to your computer during recording. If you are not close to the computer, you cannot press the shortcut. However, there are other methods to mitigate such a situation. Things like this are taught in my audiobook crash course. If you want to record and edit efficiently and want to produce ACX standard audio, you can enroll in this training program. You do not have to be present at a specific time, and you will be guided all the way through publishing your first audiobook. This is a learning by doing, and doing at your own pace program. The next batch starts on June 13th, and seats are limited. You will also get the Audacity bundle for free if you enroll in the crash course. You will find enrollment link in the description. You can enroll from the Buy Me a Coffee page or from my shop page. If you want to pay through PayPal or Klarna, you can use the shop page. The shop page also supports the buy now and pay later options. You can enroll from any of the links, and you will be given access to the same program.